Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Send in Story DM feature. The Send in Story DM feature in 2026 allows you to share someone else's public story directly to a private chat or use interactive stickers to prompt others to message you from your own stories. Now, to send someone else's story in a DM, all you have to do is go ahead and select any of the stories from the public account. Now, once you have found this story, you should be able to find this paper plane icon located at the bottom right. Go ahead and tap on it. Then new window will show up where you should be able to select any of the members that you want to send the story to. Now, select any of the member. From there, you should be able to find this option called write a message or just send it. Now, if you have something to say, go ahead and type by tapping on this writing message option, and once you're done, go ahead and tap on this send button, and the story should be sent in your private DMs. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.